Hello guys, myself Shrek. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you the simulation of macroprocessor. It is my compiler 6 lab. So for this experiment, I've used Java for doing the experiment. So the aim of the experiment it is to write a program to simulate the function of a macroprocessor. So in the description, I have mentioned a macroprocessor instruction is the national convenience of the programmer. It allows the programmer to write the shorthand version of a program. Means it removes the all unnecessary things and made the program short. The macroprocessor replaces each invocation with a corresponding sequence of statements. Okay, so I'm going to show you the source code for this program. So the source code of the program is this. So this is basically the class of the compiler. This is the public static void main, as you know. Scanner as for new scanner for creating a access object. I will initialize the string 1, string 2, string 3 are these quotes. That is a space. And I will initialize int as x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z 0, and w is equals to 0. Similarly, and it is a string. I've created a array for macro new and macro with the size of 20 each, and another with para1 and res as a size of 20 each. Now I've created a system dot out dot print for taking the number of lines from the user, and it will be stored in number. And in the second line, I have used system dot out dot print for display entering the input by the user, and it will be stored in the s dot next line. So the value will be stored in the string ch is the array, the new string no, and a for loop is created here for I equals to 0 for till the number, and it will be increment in I plus plus basically, and ch of I is equals to s dot next line. It means that the values will be stored in the array known as ch and I. And another I've created one more for loop for j equals to 0, j is less than number, and j plus plus, where the string 1 equals to ch of j, and the string in the array ch will be stored with the string 1 with a split of these values. This is the basically the space something. And if the ch of 0 is not equal to the defined, is the hashtag defined, then it will go to the if condition, and it is mentioned that if not ch1 dot 2 equals to this bracket, it means the macro new w is equal to ch of 1, and w will be incremented with plus plus, and macro of w is equal to ch1 of 2, and w will incremented with plus plus, which means it will be incremented by 1. And similarly, if there is also a else condition for that, if it is equal, that means for create a loop for int k equals to 0, k is less than ch1 dot length, and k plus plus macro for k goes to ch1 dot k and x plus plus. If ch1 dot 0 equals to macro dot 1, for int k equals to 0, k less than 1 length, and k plus plus, para of 1 y goes to ch1 of k, and y will be incremented. And if t equals and I will instance here t equals to 0, a is equals to 3, and b is equals to 2, and while macro is not equal to b dot equals to this bracket, it will make the string 2 as a macro dot b plus 1, and for int k equals to 0, k less than k x, and k will be incremented in the for loop, and macro k plus dot replace string as para b and b plus plus. For int I equal to 0, I less than as x, and I plus plus, if macro of I equal to this equal to, for int k equals to 1, k less than x, and k plus plus, r is z equals to macro k minus 1 and z plus plus. And here again I created a system.out.print for printing the output of the whole program. For this I've used a for loop for I equals to 0, I less the number, and I plus plus, and string 1 will be equal to the ch of I, and string ch of L equals to string dot split with this space, and if ch of 1 equals to 0 not equal to define, it will continue. And it also contains the else condition that ch of 1 is 0 is not equal to the para of 1 of 0 for k equals to 0, k less than z, and k plus plus. This now autoprint plus to result of k plus space bar, and system dot out print goes to /n. And in the else condition, you can see that for I in k equal to 0, k is less than ch1 dot length k plus plus. If ch1 k is not equal macron equal to 0, ch1 of 1 of k equals to chk dot replace chk, comma macron new 1, and in the system dot out print will be print the ch1 k value with the space and with the n value. So I'm going to run this program. Yeah. So enter the number of lines of the program. So I should refer my notebook for that. So the number of lines in the program I have entered as 7. Now it is asking for the input. Here I need to write hashtag define add x space x space divide space x space this. Yeah, I need to give uh, space in each and everything so that it will be separated as a token as we see in the first experiment. Yeah, so this is correct. Now we'll remove this to the second line, that is hashtag include studio studio dot h. We can enter void main, enter bracket, enter int a equals to 10, add a. So you can see the output of the program is hashtag include studio.h void main int a, and a is divided by a. So this is a basically a work of a uh, macroprocessor, which is a helpful for programmer to make the program easy and understandable. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand.